Riley. Riley and her licorice. Riley. Oh, Riley, don't do that. It's dirty. Eewee. Eewee. 10 months old. Riley and her licorice with 2 teeth. Mama. Does that taste good? Hi. Oh, you're silly. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yummy. You laughing at brother?
Careful with that, Mama. It's getting pretty thin.
Yeah, it's probably good she's gonna have a bath after that. Get nice and sticky. I like our theme music here. Watching that movie, what's the movie called? Signs. Riley! No, Mama. Ian, say hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Good.
No, what are you doing? Oh, he disappeared. Riley, stay here. Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Look, you're silly, really strong.
Okay, bye-bye, Mama.